We've made it to Abu Dhabi. We're here. Coach James is here, cameraman Cam is here. We've come as a team. They have custom built a track from, I think, from scratch for us to teach on. And we're doing a free class. Oopsie daisy, we came in July and it's just a cool, casual 118 degrees, but that's okay. Do you want to check out do we check out the track?
Sure.
Sure.
Are we gonna three stack this thing or what?
We're in Dubai.
Oh, hey Cam.
Oh, hey.
Welcome to day 2 in Dubai. We're gonna be tourists today. We're going to Burj Al Arab. We're going to the Burj Daddy, the Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, Aunt Jemima.
Aunt Jemima.
We're gonna go sightsee. I don't know.
We got some intel that this is the best local coffee shop around, so we're gonna make a quick stop.
We went to the beach. The ocean is 110 degrees. It's the hottest water.
It's hot tub temperature.
Dude, I can't believe this is our life.
So yeah, I went to the Burj Al Arab, world's only 7-star hotel.
Yep.
Didn't go in it, but looked at it.
Looked at it.
And then went to the Burj Khalifa. Didn't go up it, but looked at it.
That's the Burj Daddy. From the basement to the Burj.
The fountain's out front. You're looking at just this massive building, biggest building in the world. You have the sunset popping through the other skyscrapers that are also way bigger than anything in America. It feels like you're in a utopia.
Kind of like at Caesar's Palace in Vegas.
Yeah. Caesar's Palace in Vegas.
But way better. Way
better. Just the scene is unbelievable. And we were all sitting there watching it and just Adele comes on. Are you kidding me?
We went to dinner on the Palm, which is the largest man-made island, right? So that was cool. We went up to
flex.
Yeah, we went up to this whole thing's a subtle flex.
So it is, I don't know, 6 a.m. We're gonna do some work with Maddox, who is Mark's son, Miles, Connor, and Matthew. We've got a little semi-private session. Gonna get the track worked in for today, get the track worked in for tomorrow also.
You ever think you'd ride on the other side of the world?
Yeah, I still don't know what's happening yet, but I'm happy about it. All right, so we're tenting it up. Luckily, a company called Flow is helping us out for the weekend. And they have these giant generators out here with, like, look it around. There's AC units everywhere. I think the high today will be, I don't know, 115, 120 probably. We're gonna do everything we can to not be out there if we can avoid it. On the dirt bikes out there, or right back into the AC.
Banana in a bag.
Banana in a bag, dude. Look at that.
Unbelievable.
Do you know who Ryan Dungey is?
who's a little bit more recent than that.
Have you guys ever heard of James Manny?
Have you heard of James Manny? And when I first learned it, I would always keep the hand nearby, just in case. But when I do it now, I like to keep my hand here, mostly just because I like to just feel my six pack.
Dude. A little more rotation.
Got another one? Oh! Wow. Miles is just nailing them back to back. He's got like 3 in a row.
Dude, their parents are probably like, is this part of the training? Take MX First ATV Unleashed.
Good day?
You tell me. You rode.
I had a great time.
How was the course?
I had the time of my life out there. It was actually really good.
Yeah. Yeah, that back section was really good.
Yeah.
That looks cool.
What do you think, Coach James?
What do I think? Oh, you're calling me Coach James now? Are you kidding me? Had a blast. It's so hot now. But I mean, for Dubai in July,
I'm cool.
I'm happy.
Yeah, I'm better. Yeah. Where's Basil?
Since we last spoke to you guys, we've gone to the same restaurant 2 nights in a row.
Oh, so good.
Absolutely fantastic.
It's like if you pictured Dubai in a restaurant.
We got the best steaks ever. We got some of the best food ever. Then we got this dessert platter that they insisted on bringing over to us. And then as the dessert platter comes out, then they start sliding over a bongo set.
drums.
Just a set of bongos. And then the entire staff came over and sang us a sweet song.
It was good. It wasn't like a typical like.
I couldn't believe it.
It was
extremely good.
unbelievable.
I
Yeah.
could have sat there and listened to it the entire time.
Yeah.
It was legit.
All right, we're in Abu Dhabi. We have class. We're doing a free class, Moto Academy, little pop-up free class in Abu Dhabi. And we got a lot of people. But check out the signage, cameraman Cam.
We're factory.
We're pretty legit with it. So
Yeah.
we're gonna do a riders meeting, and then we're gonna dive right in. We got a corner track, and we got a full outdoor track. So we're gonna split into 2 groups. We'll do our attack position talk in the morning, and then we'll get rolling. So we did a free class in Abu Dhabi today. This has been the trend for any international class that we've had. People just are happy to be there.
Yeah.
Not that they aren't in the US. I think just they're more happy to be there when you go international.
Dude, everybody is so excited.
I think they just look at it more as a rare opportunity, maybe,
Yeah.
which is cool. And ton of little kids. More PW50s
Than I've ever seen.
at this class than I've ever seen at a class, but every single PW50 was ripping.
These guys are great, honestly. There's bodies everywhere.
James is standing there talking about the kids, and we hear a PW50 wide open. Goes
And then I hear
Straight into the tent?
straight into the tent, wide open into the doors. Through
way.
the doors like a bull out of a cage, dude.
And you know what's the funniest part? It probably was on purpose.
100%.
And then you guys can get ice cream. You already had ice cream?
We did it.
We did it.
Maddox, Abu Dhabi. Pretty fun. Hot. Hot.
I
hot.
feel like
can't
I'm on
even,
fire.
Can't even describe to you the temperature that is hitting my face.
It feels
right
like there's
now.
a fire right there.
Yeah.
You know when you sit too close to the fire, you catch a gust
And you
of
gotta be like, whoa, I'm a little
but
too
it
close.
feels like all the way around my body, and no matter where I move outside, it feels like
yeah,
that.
it's crazy.
Yeah.
But great day. A whole bunch of people.
So
Little
many,
guys, big guys,
80 something.
girls, from all over. So yeah, we had a turn track set up, we had a full outdoor track set up, trained all day. And by all day, I mean it's 11:30
in the morning.
And yeah, we did it, Abu Dhabi.
We should be mimes.